What's up guys, this is just Tim. We're thrilled to announce that we've uploaded our first YouTube video today. Moving forward, we'll be sharing helpful information to assist you in making money. We plan to provide detailed guidance on how to go about it. While we can't directly make money for you, we hope that by consistently being with us, you'll get closer to financial freedom, enriching your life along the way. One thing to keep in mind is that all the content we share is not financial advice. Investments always require DYOR, and we want to clarify that our purpose is to convey information. Additionally, English is not my native language, so please understand. For the next few uploads, we'll be focusing on how you can grab Bitcoin worth $1,000 to $10,000 through Airdrop, just Airdrop. We'll be uploading several videos on this topic and, if necessary, provide in-depth guides matching the themes. Feel free to suggest any specific aspects you'd like us to cover or if there's something in particular you're interested in. Looking forward to dive into these exciting topics together. If you are curious whether you can really make money just by doing these tasks, a recent example is NF Prompt. Just a few months ago, in the case of NF Prompt, the cost for one check-in was about $0.03 and minting an image cost around $0.1. For one account, the daily time spent was approximately 1 to 2 minutes. In about 3 months, one of my friends invested around $11 and about 3 hours of time, acquiring over 4,200 NFP tokens. Then let's calculate how much profit has been gained. The actual price of NFP rose to $1.3, resulting in over $5,000 in profit from just one account. This represents more than a 500 times return on the initial investment. Another friend earned even more because, in addition to collecting points, they engaged in more activities such as minting more images, participating in campaigns, and trading pictures. In reality, this person participated with around 30 accounts and made over $200,000 in profit. If you're still contemplating whether to engage in this task, you should stop watching this video right away. Today's video is all about essential cryptocurrency airdrop task, specifically Chapter 1 covering simple repetitive labor. Since this isn't focused on a particular project, I couldn't delve into detailed content for each one. If you have any question or if there's something you're curious about, feel free to visit my channel from the video description or leave a comment on this video. In this video, we'll introduce simple repetitive tasks such as checking in for activities in a specific DM to leave a trace of your engagement. The advantage of such tasks is that they usually cost very little, but the downside is that as more participants join and competition increases, the returns diminish. Nevertheless, the occasional big wins like NFP Prompt make it worthwhile to invest a few minutes each day, minimal time and effort for a potential payoff. To prevent FOMO, you can use a few accounts or for projects that seem exceptionally promising, engage with multiple accounts. So now, let's get started. The project's activities are not in the early stage but still quite active. Also, there hasn't been any announcement regarding the airdrop snapshot, so it's strongly recommended to participate. Carv provides a blockchain-based Web3 identity verification service. Additionally, you can obtain a Carv ID that can be used as unified identification for various gaming platforms and mobile games. What's interesting is that through the Carv ID, various Web2 and Web3 games can be centrally managed and the achievement of games are recorded on the blockchain. This implies the ability to seamlessly integrate all games, including commonly known ones like Steam, onto blockchain. Carv has received over $6 million in investment, including from major VCs, and currently the number of subscribers has exceeded 2 million. The Carv airdrop allows you to receive points called Soul through daily check-ins, and this Soul can be exchanged for ARC, a governance token. As mentioned before, details such as the exchange rate and schedule have not been disclosed yet. Here's a brief explanation of the task you need to perform. First, connect MetaMask by visiting the site mentioned in the video description here. Second, click on Play Name Service here at the top of the site to set up your own domain. It's important to note that OP-BNB chain BNB is required for this. Ensure your Carv wallet, not your MetaMask wallet, holds a balance of BNB. You can use top-up BNB to transfer a small amount of BNB to your Carv wallet. Next, you can connect various social accounts to maximize the daily Soul amount. Additionally, there are various missions that you can complete for extra rewards. Here. And then, as you see, leave a check-in transaction through various chains like Free, OPBNB, ZK Sync Era, and Linea to earn Soul daily. Next, follow the link provided in the description to access your profile, where you can get free CXP daily. Free CXP. This is the last one. You can visit the site mentioned in the video's description. Recently introduced mission allow you to earn points through various social activities. You can exchange these points for badges like this. If you follow these steps, your daily task will be complete. I personally execute this task every day, and it takes approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Whether you choose to invest 2 to 3 minutes a day is entirely up to you. Farcaster is a decentralized social app protocol hosting various applications, and we are targeting two in particular, Warpcast and Farcaster. Firstly, Warpcast is an SNS also favored by Ethereum founders Vitalik Buterin. Many meme coin airdrops take place on this platform like this, and it can be thought of as similar to Twitter. You can sign up through the link provided in the video description, incurring a yearly cost of $5. Secondly, Farquest, backed by approximately $30 million in investment, is a decentralized social network. Currently, you can engage in point activities through Farschool and Simple Mission. Farschool's here and Quest. To start, you need to purchase a claim handle for domain ownership. Claim handle. If the domain is long, minting is possibly for free. You can access it through the link in the description, and domain purchases can be made using the Optimism chain. After joining, you can participate in Farschool and Quest to complete mission and earn Far points. This is a point mission project run by well-known NFT project Yoga Pets. It requires no money other than gas fees, and you can complete tasks in approximately 1 to 2 minutes a day. To participate, sign up using the link provided in the video description and complete attendance missions and various social tasks, like here. A referral code is essential for joining, and you can find the referral code along with a link in the video description. StarryNift is a gamified metaverse collaborative creation platform that offered immersive 3D virtual experiences with features like creation and play, making it socializable. It has a track record of receiving over $10 million in investments, including support from Binance Labs. So you should do this. To briefly explain the tasks, first, click on the link in the video description to connect your wallet and sign up. Second, go to Setting to connect Twitter and Discord and complete your profile setup. Third, in the Earn tab, here on the side, perform the check-in. Note that you will need BNB and both Binance Smart Chain and OP BNB chain for fees. Fourth, in my profile, use published space to create your own space. Here. You can earn additional points by visiting or following other users' spaces. Completing various additional missions such as visiting 5 different user spaces or following at least one user will earn you extra points while staying online for at least 10 minutes. These steps should help you accumulate points with approximately 1 to 2 minutes of daily investment. HoloWorld has gained recent fame by being selected in Binance MVV Season 7. Additionally, its parent company, Hologram, has attracted $6.5 million in investments through Polychain Capital and others, establishing itself as an open metaverse NFT platform. Given the simplicity of the task involved, it is highly recommended to participate. So here's the things what you need to do. First, access the site through the link provided in the video description, connect your wallet and sign up. Second, navigate to the Earn tab on the left side and complete various missions. There are daily quests that you can solve every day, so make sure to constantly complete them. Like here, Novice, Daily, Weekly, Special, Milestone. You can find Earn tab here. Third, consider purchasing the HoloWorld AI membership card for an upgrade. This will grant you Discord roles and various benefits. Click on the Upgrade tab at the top of the site for more details, like here. So, this is it. Today's introduction concludes here. Back when we were young, attending school consistently didn't earn us rewards, right? However, in the world of cryptocurrency, there are rewards for consistent efforts, and that's a significant advantage. Many tasks that take only 5 to 10 minutes a day can lead to substantial benefits, even covering the cost of a nice dinner for you and your family. Moreover, the tasks introduced in this video don't require significant investment. Don't postpone it. Start today or tomorrow. We'll continue to share valuable information until you and our subscribers achieve financial freedom. Thank you for watching my video, and if it was helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.